Hey guys, it's your girl and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a glitter tray without using any Mod Podge. I think that's what it's called. I think it's called Mod Podge, the glue stuff. So first what I do is I spray my tray. In this video I'm doing a white tray. So I'm spraying the tray white. And I'm spraying the tray white. And what I do is I get my glitter. This is the glitter that I'm using, and I pour it all over the tray. So doing it this way, you don't have to use glue because the paint is wet, so the glitter automatically sticks to the wet paint, so it sticks to the tray. So just make sure you cover the entire tray. You have to use a lot of glitter because you want the entire tray to be covered with glitter in order for it to look really nice. So I pretty much get the edges, I get the lip of the tray, and then I pretty much just pour all the excess glitter out, which I'm doing right now. And as you can see, it has glitter all over it. It is fully coated with glitter and it looks so nice. And it was so easy. So now the tray is completely dry. There's no glitter coming off of it. So now I'm going to put my epoxy over it, and this is just for a coat over the glitter before you add your stickers or your vinyl or whatever it is that you're putting on the tray. If you want to know how I mix the epoxy and all that other stuff, I have another video that you can check out which details how I do my epoxy. So I'm pretty much just covering the entire tray with epoxy, making sure it's all over the edges and the lip of the tray and evenly moved around the tray. And I'm just getting my finger running around the bottom to make sure there's no drips. So yep, the tray is done. Now I'm just using my torch to make sure there are no air bubbles. And then I'm going to cover it with this plastic to make sure no dust or particles get into it. Now it's the next day. The epoxy is all dry. It looks so pretty and sparkly. So now I'm going to wipe it down. Like, this is pretty much getting any dust or any extra pieces of glitter that are on the tray. And I'm just wiping it down so I can put my stickers and vinyl on it and it could be a nice clean surface. I'm doing a Nightmare Before Christmas tray, so this is a sticker that I'm going to use. This is my vinyl that I'm going to stick on there. And I pretty much place it like so on the tray. And I peel it right up. And this is a printed sticker. I'm sorry. This is a printed sticker using sticker paper. I'm just going to place it on the tray as well. So that's about it. That's how you make a glitter tray. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you.